Yes, you read that right. Apparently, someone at Anthropic Vibe coded really hard and leaked the source code of Claude. Let's talk about how did the leak happen and some interesting findings from the leak. And I will share the link of the source code as well. So, someone from the Claude Codes team accidentally leaked the source map of the Claude Code code base. This news spread like wildfire across the coding community. I will explain what is source map in a bit, but let's look at the tweet. So this tweet went viral where you can see all the folders and files of the Claude Code source. And obviously this link will not work right now, but this is the real deal. So as you can see here in the Claude Code npm registry, here is the cli.js.map, which is 59.8 MB. This is the whole source code. So when someone from South Korea discovered this source map, they downloaded the source code and created a repo on GitHub. But the girlfriend warned about it that this might be illegal. So what they did was they ran their AI agents on it, and then they converted the whole TypeScript code base into Python and Rust as well. I will share the link at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Before moving forward, let me explain what are source maps. So when you publish a JavaScript or TypeScript package to NPM, the build toolchain often generates source map files, which are .map files for the code. And this source map is a JSON file that provides mapping between the optimized, minified or transpiled code running in the web browser and its original human readable source code. And these files can be used to generate the source code, or in some cases have the full source code as a string as well. Let's look at an example. So this is the visualization of the source map. On the right hand side, you can see the minified version of the code. On the left hand side, you can see the original code. And you can see if I hover over this, how this points to the token in the minified version. And here you can see there are a lot of keywords T, H, O, E, right? So these are variable names. So this E points to set value. So these are not human readable. And you need a source map to basically convert the code from the minified version back to its original state. And even in some source map files, you can have the full code, full original code as a string. So after the leak, Boris Cherny, the creator of Claude Code, came on Twitter to clarify that it was not related to Bun, but a mistake by a developer. So yes, the developer caused this issue. So let's look at the source code of Claude Code in Rust. So right here is the Claude Code repository, which is basically the source code of Claude Code converted to Rust. And this is the fastest repository to grow to 50k stars on GitHub. So this is the Claude Code Leaks website created by someone which shares the learnings of the Claude Code code base. And these are the unreleased features. So here you can see there's a buddy feature coming out soon, which basically helps you curate a lot of buddies. Just like you can catch Pokemons, you have a lot of different species of buddies that you can get. There's a coordinator mode, there's UDS inbox. The interesting thing is they're working on a Kairos persistent agent. This is basically an always on mode where Claude remembers everything across sessions and it keeps daily logs of what you talked about and dreams overnight, automatically organizing your memories into useful notes while you sleep. This is just incredible. So you can go through this website and you can even chat with the website to understand more about Claude Code's architecture and their code base. So this was an amazing leak that happened today. I hope you like the video. So if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'll see you in the next one.